Time to take this pepper, bring it inside. But I got pepper over there. Look how big it is. I don't want to disturb it. Check out the size of the pepper. I got 3 of them, slowly turning, and they are red pepper. This was in the house last year. It's a yellow pepper. And yeah, I got tomatoes. Oh man, they got buds on them. 2 areas. And baby tomatoes, which I'm going to take 1 in. Do my best not to disturb the roots. I ran out of indoor mix. I only got just a little bit more. Hopefully that'd be enough. I add more in later. And I need to basically now trim this. But I want to make sure I tie it up. This stays up nicely. I'm going to prepare the barrel. 45-gallon Amazon bag. Should fit over nicely. Cover the soil. So this way nothing gets into it, nothing grows. And lock it down. I got another 3 to do later. I'm happy with that. Done.